Hello, everybody playing with Power here. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Cameron.
And we're up to day 4 of Birthaversary month. Ratchet and Clank, which was released on
November 4th, 2002.
Which means it's just as old as Super Mario Sunshine. And this is the first release day video. So this game is exactly 15 years old the day this video is going up.
Cool.
How does that make you feel? Deep down on the inside.
Doesn't make me feel anything, really.
Really?
Yeah. It was bound to happen to one of these games.
Well, we purposely made it so games released this month were done on their release day. It doesn't make you feel all giddy inside that this game is 15 years old today?
Makes me feel a little as fuck, because I remember playing this a lot when I was younger. Like, a fucking lot.
He used to sleep with a Clank stuffed animal.
This is like the game to have in my neighborhood. If you didn't have Ratchet and Clank, you were a faggot.
I didn't have Ratchet and Clank.
You're a faggot. Welcome to the neighborhood.
It's a hard knock life for me.
Time to get into Super Ship.
So I think we're playing your file, right?
Yeah.
Which he's like at the end of the game. We're not going to beat the game because if we ever do a series, it'd be kind of
Poopy diarrhea dick shit.
what he said. We're just going to mess around. I've never played this game before. Cameron's playing right now, though. Nebula Gay? The Blarg Station?
I'm trying to think of like a fun level. There's one level, I can't remember where it is. Not here. Not there. Not there. Not there. Is that it? I guess we can just go to Metropolis.
Okay.
Kerwan. And by this time of the game, we have the super spaceship.
Ooh.
Which does nothing because there's no in between.
Ooh.
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 Super spaceship.
Ooh. I bet you Samus's Starfighter is better.
I don't know.
Planet Kerwin.
Kerwan.
Kerwin.
Kerwan.
Kerwin.
Kerwan. Super Metropolis.
Yeah, tell them the joke you tried to make about the Nintendo.
Oh yeah, the Super NES.
Yeah, that
no,
was
I made
thing.
that. I think I made that on. Did I make that on video?
I don't know. Did you?
I
thought it was in between episodes.
I could have sworn I made that joke on video, and I just realized why that's stupid. While you were playing Zelda,
I could have sworn that was in between episodes.
it might have been, but I don't remember. Honestly,
Do I?
Zoop. Zoop. So we're just gonna fuck around and kill a bunch of enemies.
Okay.
The contrast is off and it's driving me nuts. I'm super stingy about that stuff, or picky, I should say. Super Zapper. Is that the only gun I'm missing? Yep.
Buy it.
Buy the Super Tesla Claw. Do I have... Alright, hold on. We're gonna do something here. Oh, yes.
You have no ammo for it.
Oh, yeah. What?
I said no ammo.
I don't think it uses ammo. Yeah, like this. Like the Walloper. That uses no ammo. See? Alright. This is not where I want to go.
Fight something.
I'm going. Stop. Now you're all chickens.
Why?
Because Ratchet and Clank, yo. Slap. Chicken. Chicken. Still don't have the Rhino though, which costs like 100,000 bolts.
What's the Rhino?
I think it's the most powerful gun in the game, but it's the most expensive gun in the game too. This the only thing I don't like about this one, it doesn't have the flak cannon.
flak cannon?
Yeah, like it's a shotgun.
Yeah, I know what a flak cannon is. There's one in Time Splitters. What's
Chicken
that?
ammo. Whoops. It's the suck gun. So now we have things to shoot at things. Let's see. Trying to see if I can find a place with like a lot of enemies. This is probably the wrong place for that, honestly. This is one of the first levels, so there's not much to do here.
Ah. Can you fly?
Does that count?
No.
Chicken.
This game is well liked.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know. It doesn't seem like anything special to me so far.
You have to remember, there's nothing to do because I'm at the end of the game.
So why didn't we start over?
Because you'd have to sit through a whole fucking cutscene and stuff. Oh, that's poopy. Don't do it. Honestly, this game's strongest point is its humor. Probably. I mean, combat's pretty good, but it's very simplistic.
Mm-hmm.
But a lot of the humor is where it's at. The humor is where it's at, in my opinion. And honestly, in my opinion, this is one of those series that got better as time went on.
Yeah.
Like, Going Commando is much better than Ratchet and Clank, and Up Your Arsenal is better than Going Commando.
And what about the newer one?
Deadlocked is okay. I have one of the newer ones on the PS3. I haven't played much of it, though.
Why not?
Because I've been busy playing these again. But it's just like Sly Cooper. Like, Sly Cooper for the time was a lot of fun, but going back and replaying it, because I actually have the first game, it's just meh. This game is still fun, in my opinion. Yeah, I should go to another world with stuff to do.
Yeah.
I could have sworn there was more enemies in this area, but there aren't. I just thought it'd be the most, pleasing to the eye. Alright.
Excuse me. Steve Buscemi.
This could be a cool area. So like I said, most of the stuff I'm doing right now is just gathering the gold bolts and stuff.
Go find them.
Oh, you can watch an infobot.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not gonna last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
And this is where you use the magnet boots.
Ooh.
Magnet. Huh?
Fun?
Yeah. I think you use the grind boots here too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like, I feel like this is a game more best suited for a series. It's not like like I said, there's not much to do after you've done everything.
Yeah. Go collect the golden bolts.
I have no idea where the first place. I don't even know where to look. Oh shit.
Yeah, shoot a flamethrower in the rain. That makes sense.
Well,
Huh?
nothing.
You're playing Shadow the Hedgehog. You're being an edgelord right now.
Super edgelord.
And dead.
I was never good at these things. I can't even remember what's over here. Zoop.
I can give you one guess.
What?
Not you, because you died. Is he barefoot?
No. That's his tail. Oh shit. Oh, no. I don't know where I'm going. No, 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 no. Oh.
Probably somewhere.
Probably.
I think it's a safe bet.
Don't remember ever doing this, actually.
What if there's a gold bolt at the end?
I'm hoping there is, because I don't remember ever doing this. Where the fuck am I? Where the fuck?
Huh.
Where the fuck? What does this do? Oh, it just brings me back to my ship. Cool. That was a humongous waste of time.
You got a ton of bolts.
Yeah.
Are those useful?
To buy ammo and weapons, but... Yeah, probably, actually, considering that, I still don't have the rhino. Do it. Oh, fuck.
And you're dead.
Here.
I guess I'm trying now. Yeah. Okay. How do I play?
X jump, square melee, hold triangle to get your quick weapon select, and circle is your ranged gun.
I did it. What just happened?
Brilliant. You tried to go up a slope.
What?
Tried to go up a slope.
That's what I tried to do. I hit the wrong shoulder button. Whoops. Whoops.
Jesus Christ.
Do you lose anything for falling?
No.
No? Well, that's good.
If you fucking die, though, late in the game, and you don't hit a checkpoint, that shit stings.
Why?
Because it sends you back quite a ways. I think the checkpoints are pretty spaced out. Oh. Oh, why'd you do that?
I was trying to get over.
You can just walk to the left and around.
But that's not as fun.
Alright, you can try doing that. Keep dying.
I made it. What?
Nothing. I'm tired out of nowhere. I don't know about you.
No.
Be careful.
What is that?
That's called a tank, and it's trying to kill you.
Oh, I didn't see the tank.
Gun. If you hold triangle. Right. There's a rocket. That's a rocket launcher, yes. Ooh.
I bet I make you nervous playing games, huh?
Yes.
I don't know why.
In every game there's a long jump, you make me nervous.
Where's the health?
Top. When you take a hit, it'll show some orbs with some balls flying around. Those are your health. You only get like 5 hits. See after you kill him. What are you doing? You didn't kill the guy with the gun.
Someone's a backseat gamer.
Yeah, kind of.
This game is...
You haven't even played anything, really, honestly. The problem is, like I said, you don't have any fucking goals right now. There's no objectives. There's none of the mini games. There's none of the story with the humor. They're just playing it to play it, honestly. Why is that already on my quick select?
Oh.
Pretty effective.
So, now what?
Oh, just go wherever, I guess. I don't fucking know.
Where is there to go? Is somewhere to go this way?
Huh, sure.
To use the Tesla ball, keep the circle button held down.
I think another problem is you kind of threw me into a harder level when I've never played the game before.
Yeah, but... yeah. So I don't really know what to do. I would have suggested we do the final boss, but you don't want to do that. Like I said, you probably get your balls rocked anyway. It'd be me playing it. But, yeah. If we start a new game, there's some cutscenes we'd have to sit through, and we already did that with Mario Sunshine. So I didn't want to do that twice, you know?
Eh.
Although I think you can skip them, but I'm not sure. Want to call it? It's been 20 minutes.
Hold on.
Do I have the Glove of Doom equipped?
Yes.
Huh?
I don't know.
Hold on, let's see that. Press start.
Bomb glove?
No,
I want to see what this is.
it throws bombs. See?
Woo.
See, so with the Glove of Doom, you release little drones that attack the other enemies. Or the enemies, I should say. Weapons. It's that one.
This one?
No, up. That one. Glove of Doom. Let's exit. What are you doing?
You said to skip them.
Huh?
Yeah, I thought you said I could skip them.
Skip what? See? And if you take them towards enemies, they'll blow up like that.
Oh.
They're really useful when you have a lot of enemies and you need to multitask.
Interesting.
I like the weapons in this game a lot.
What?
I have no idea if there's anything you can even shoot here in this.
Well, maybe we should call it now, because this is honestly isn't all that fun.
Right. There's nothing to do.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.